Hi, welcome to DIY Soccer Equipment. In this video, we're going to be assembling a standing defender. First thing you're going to want to do is print off your supply list and make sure you get all your connectors and all your pipe together. First thing for the standing defender is you're going to need 2 half base pieces. To make the half base, go and check out the half base assembly videos. Next, we're going to need 4 T connectors. We're going to need 2 45-degree elbows. For pipe, we're going to need 4 3-inch, 3/4 inch, 3-inch pieces of pipe, 4 of those. We're going to need 1 3/4 inch, 6-inch piece of pipe. We're going to need 3/4 inch, 7-inch, so 1 6, 1 7. We're going to need 2 12-inch or 1 foot pieces of pipe. We're going to need 2 3/4 inch, 3 feet pieces of pipe, 2 of those. And last thing you're going to need is a 1/4 inch flex pipe, and this is going to be 2 feet long on the flex pipe. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the assembly. First thing, I'm going to take the 2 3-foot poles and insert them into the half base pieces. And I'm just going to set those down here. Okay, next I'm going to take my 6-inch and I'm going to connect it here. Okay, so we've got the T's with the 6-inch. We're going to take that and we're going to stick it right on top of the 2 3-foot pieces of pole. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and build our body here. So again, 2 12s. We're going to come up from there. So we've got the 2 12s. We're going to take our 7-inch. It's going here, on top there. Oops, did that wrong. Sorry, I just put the T's on the wrong way. We're going to put these T's where we've got a piece going out and a piece going out this way. All right, so that we can take our 3-inch and we're going to put those in the sides. We'll take our 45-degree elbows. We're going to put them out, that. And then we'll finish off the arms with a little 3-piece here. Now all we have left is our flex pipe. Now, let me grab the drill. And I'll show you. All you're going to do, you're going to get a 3/8 drill, and then just at the top here, you're just going to drill a hole on each side, just a little gap on each side. It's not going to matter too much. Now you're going to take your flex pipe here, and you're just going to insert both ends into that hole, and you're going to get your head for the defender. All right, now I like to, when I use my defenders, looks pretty kind of plain here. So what I like to do is get a jersey or a t-shirt and just put it over the top of the Defender. Gives it a real cool effect when you're on the field. Kids like it. And now you've got a real looking Defender here. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.